another Thrive Architect tutorial. In this one we will see how to wrap text around images using Thrive Architect. The first step is to add the image above the text that you want to wrap it around. In order to do that, click on the plus sign here to open the list of elements, look for the image element, and then drag and drop it to the desired position on the page. Select the image you want from the media library, or in case the image is not in your media library yet, then you can use the Upload Files option from here to upload it first and then select it. Once the image is selected, click on the Insert into Post button here. As you can see, the image has been added to the page. The next step is to position it. In order to do that, open the Layout and Position options from the left sidebar, and then align the image either to the left or to the right. Keep in mind that the wrapping only works if one of these two positions are selected. Now, open the Advanced tab here and activate the Float option by clicking here. As you can see, the text has been wrapped around the image now. In order to make it look better, I'm gonna give it a margin here. So this is how you can wrap the text around an image. Nevertheless, we recommend another solution. Although this all seems fine now in desktop view, if you check the mobile view by clicking here, you will see that the wrapping wasn't a mobile-friendly solution. As you can see, the text is squeezed into a narrow space next to the image. This is how a visitor will see the page if he or she views it from a mobile phone. So that's why instead of wrapping, we recommend using a column layout. Let me show you how you can do that. First of all, go back to the desktop view here. Open the list of elements again. This time look for the columns element and drag and drop it to the page. Choose one of the column layouts and then adjust it to fit your needs. Of course, you can do the adjusting later on as well, after you have dragged elements into the columns. Now let's add the same elements into the column, so the image, and the same text. And just like that, we have created the same layout as we did with the wrapping. But you can spot the difference if you go back to the mobile view again and compare the two methods. As you can see, the wrapping is not mobile friendly, but the column layout is optimized for mobile screens as well. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful. If you want to find out more about Thrive Architect elements, please don't hesitate to check out our knowledge base.